What is up, everyone? I'm the boss around here. Today we're making balls. Like the balls in your body.
Stop.
But they are vegan balls. Why are you laughing so much? About the balls in your body thing?
Okay.
We're gonna use fruits, nuts, and seeds. First, we're using dates. But these are not your regular dates. These are called wet dates. They're from 7 hot dates. Batista Farm in California. You put your wet dates in. Then we're using Nanwa bananas from Paul Isaac's farm in Hawaii. Paul Isaac is a music creator. Just so you know. By the way, dates are a good source of magnesium. And bananas have the potassium, bro. Oh yeah, potassium, potassium. Now we're throwing in some walnuts from omega-3s. I call them brain nuts. Because they look like brains and they're good for your brain. Next is raw sunflower seeds. Because these are a good source of iron. You gotta blend it. This is wild. We added a little water to get the batter going. Now we're gonna add the spices. Real vanilla bean powder. You can't have bananas without cinnamon, so we're putting some cinnamon in. My mom wants to keep congestion at bay, so we're adding some cayenne. A little goes a long way. Spicy. Now we are going to use coconut chips to add more fruit fat. By the way, most of our nuts and seeds in coconut comes from Country Life Natural Foods. Now we gotta roll it up. I'm gonna let my mom do it. Okay, fine, I'll help. The best day of
These are best when they're popped in the fridge. Do you want one now? Taste test it, buddy. Come on.
Looks good.
From 0 to 10.
8.9, bro. Oh yeah.
Bro. Come on, buddy.
I'm so addicted.
You're addicted to it.
Nope. Rank it up to 10.
I'm not your bro. I'm not your bro. I'm your mom.
Alright, now eat your vegan balls, not the balls from your body.